Hey guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I actually got asked to do a handbag collection video the other day on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, go ahead and follow me right now. But the other day on Instagram, I asked for video suggestions. I asked for things that I should do here on this channel, and one of you guys have requested a handbag video, which I was like, oh yeah, that'd be an awesome video, because I love watching collection videos, and I love watching like the what's in your purse tag videos. So I was like, let me go ahead and do it and you know, give you guys what you asked for. So I'm going to break it down into two different parts, because I have like my crossbody bags and I have my bigger satchel handbags that I have, and I honestly don't have very many. You guys, I'm actually not a huge purse person, to be honest. Like, it's really weird. I love clothes, y'all know that, but as far as purses go, like, I honestly have like what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and most of these, you guys, have collected like over time, so I honestly don't buy them very often. I usually will go like months before I buy a new purse, sometimes even years. So I'll go ahead and start off with the crossbody bags first. I'll kind of just talk about like why I got it, what I like about it, where I got it from, and so on and so forth, and move throughout the video. It shouldn't be very long, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first up is this black, white, and gray faux snakeskin crossbody bag that I actually got from Boohoo, I believe. Oh, another thing that I also want to mention is that every purse that I'm going to show you guys, except for my last bag, which is my most expensive bag, I got all these bad boys on sale. So I never pay full price for any kind of purses, just because, like I said, I'm not a big purse person in general. But I love crossbodies, you guys, and I love little clutches. I feel like these days, like, I have my like everyday go-to bags, like my bigger bags whenever I'm like have a lot of stuff to carry around. But whenever it comes to like date night and especially traveling, I love smaller bags like this. Also because it honestly helps me condense down my life. And whenever I'm traveling or on vacation, I like to just carry like literally my phone, a camera, my debit card, credit card, and some lip gloss and some chapstick. That's literally all I carry in my purse whenever I'm like traveling or walking, you know, like, or out walking for a long period of time. I always go for this one. I love this one because, first of all, it's black and white. I love neutral tones, you guys. I love the print. I love the size of it, and I also love the gold chain detail that it has, which I think just adds a really nice flair to the bag itself. And then the next one is also from Boohoo. Actually, this one and the next one will be from Boohoo as well. So I think I'll order all three of these actually at the same time. And this one is a really pretty rose gold one, which I think, I mean, the color itself and the design of it, the quilted print up here, kind of should tell you why I purchased it. I love this bag. I love it because it is a crossbody, but it has a lot of space in here. It didn't have as much space and as much width. And this one here, I can pack a little bit more in there. And again, this one does have that gold chain detail. I don't know, you guys, I have been kind of drawn more towards like the chain handles, only because I feel like that gold or metallic accent really kind of helps to jazz up the bags. And again, this one was on sale at Boohoo, so a good price. And I also believe that this one, the first one, and the next one, I believe, were maybe like $20–$25. They were really cheap, y'all, and they're good quality bags also. So hit up Boohoo. Okay, and last but not least is my third crossbody from Boohoo as well. This one here is the classic neutral crossbody that can basically be worn with literally anything. You guys, I love this tone of nude. Like, it's so pretty. It's not too pink, you know, not too brown. It's like the perfect shade. And this one, I've actually not worn this one as a crossbody. It does have a chain that comes with it that's like tucked away in here. But whenever I wear it, here's a little chain. But whenever I wear it, I prefer to wear it as a clutch, just because I think it's like a really cute little clutch bag that's just like, you know, real small and dainty and perfect for like a night out. If I ever needed to travel or anything with it, I would definitely just go ahead and add on the chain. But just in general, I like it just kind of just like this. Alrighty, and then next is another one that I got. I actually got this bag from Ross. I was actually drawn to the bow detail in the front. So this one's also just a really plain neutral shade. It is like an off-white, and it does have, again, another gold chain. So very simple, very plain, but the bow right here is kind of what sold me on it, because I just think it's just so cute and feminine. I do love that it's kind of unsnaps here in the front, so whenever you unsnap it, it still has like the bottom part of the bow there, and then when you snap back together. It looks like this. This one I do not remember the price of, but again, it's from Ross and it was cheap. I'm almost positive it was like $20. So really affordable. I love the size of it. I love how compact it is. So this is also a good travel one. It does have a good amount of space in there as well. So the last two are actually two of my favorite bags, only because of like the prints and designs on them. So here is the first one, you guys. And if you follow me on Snapchat, I don't really use Snapchat anymore, but if you did back in November-ish around Black Friday, actually it was Black Friday, I did a Snapchat poll on this bag, and a bunch of you guys, well actually everyone had said to get it, and so I did. And I'm so happy I did, you guys. Now this one here is a little bit of a different material. It's actually more fabric, so it is very flexible, not like a really structured design. But obviously looking at the design on it, this is like what instantly drew me to it. And guess how much it was, y'all? It was 25 bucks from TJ Maxx, which was a huge deal just because of how cute it was. And this one does have a chain on it as well. This chain is silver. I just love like how nice and light this is in the hand, if that makes sense. And this like blue, tan, brown, silver, golden print here is just everything. And next is this little dainty handbag here, which is just so unique in the style. Now I actually got this bag here from one of my beautiful subscribers. She had launched an online boutique, and I'll go ahead and leave the link to below. But isn't this just so cute? I instantly, you guys, was drawn into the design of it because it's like a little cute little coin purse, but like 10 times bigger. I love the snap opening up here. I love just the design. It's not a typical clutch bag or crossbody bag. It's a gorgeous shade of pink, kind of like a blush pink with the gold accents, and of course a floral detail on the front, and just a perfect bag to kind of just hold in your hand, kind of just walk around, you know. And now I'll jump into my bigger bag. So my recent everyday bag has been this bag here. It's actually heavy because I have my stuff in here. Is this bag that I got from Aldo maybe like a year or two ago, and I got this one on sale. I believe I got it for like $25. It wasn't more than 30 bucks. I did catch it on sale, and actually I caught this one and the other two that I'm going to show you guys on sale, and they were all under $25 each. I love this one because of the ivory shade of it, and I love the like faux snakeskin detail on the handles and also on the strap. I just wear it on my arm, but this bag is humongous, so I have a lot of crap in there. So aside from that one, I also have this bag here, which is another one from Aldo. Like I mentioned, I got it on sale as well, and I was really drawn towards this one because of the contrasting colors. So we have, you know, the traditional faux snakeskin print here, just like brown, you know, tan and black. I love the contrasting, like what is this, like a reddish orange straps, or I guess handles, and the strap over here. You have some gold buckle detail there, and also on the sides we have an ivory faux snakeskin print as well. So kind of have a little bit of dimension and different color contrast all around it, which is what sold me on it. And of course it's on sale, so that sold me on it even more, so that's why. But y'all, I just love this purse. It does have a lot of space in there as well, so I can easily dump my stuff in here, again, keep it like for an everyday bag, and then, you know, go on my day and keep it like that for weeks, months at a time. So the other one that I got from Aldo is this one here. This one's also in the neutral family. Again, it was on sale, so that's why I got all three of them at the same time. And I want to note that one trick that I always do is I typically will wait until the end of the season to really stock up on the deals. I believe that I had got all of these like at the end of summer sale for Aldo, and that's why all of these were such good prices. So if you want to really get some good deals, then wait until the end of the season, and you can really catch some good deals on basically everything. This is again another really neutral bag. I love kind of saying the neutral family just because neutrals go with everything, whether it be purple, pink, blue, yellow, whatever. So again, just traditional tan, black, brown. I love the little tassel right here, and I also was drawn towards this woven design on the front. It's only on the front, not on the back, but the back is just a plain black, the sides are tan, and then again the front is this little pattern here, which I love so much. it's just gorgeous, honestly. And then I love the golden detail there, and just plain black handles. So this was actually my everyday bag for the longest. This was actually my graduation gift from my husband when I graduated undergrad. So he had got me this bag. It's a classic black Dooney & Bourke bag, and I loved it. He actually got it for me so I would have a bag to wear to work, because after I graduated I had like no really nice quality bag, so this is a gift for me. I wore this one out bad, like I have scratches and stuff down here, but it has held on. So this is probably my favorite like bag. This is my first really nice bag, I guess you could say. So lastly, we have this brown bag here, which I actually got from TJ Maxx on the same day that I got that blue and pink woven one. That was for $25. I believe this one was like 35 bucks, but a really good price. And obviously looking at the size of it and the design of it, I was instantly sold. It actually has like a little nice little, I don't know what it's called, kind of like a trunk case, kind of like a carry-on kind of bag. I don't know how you describe it, but it's just such a unique design. It does have again that faux snakeskin material. This one is brown with gold accents, and then up here at the top is where it kind of snaps open, and as you can see it has a lot of space, y'all, like so much space in here. I do keep the tissue in my bags just because it kind of helps to keep them full, but I love the size of it, I love the design of it, and I love the price of it, and I love the quality of it. Okay, and then my very last bag is actually my newest baby. It is a very recent splurge, as in like 2 weekends ago that I got it. And it is my very first luxury splurge, and it is by Gucci. It is a Gucci bag. I want to show you guys this bag, and let me say, y'all, like I got on Dion's nerves after I purchased this one. Like I got in a car and played Gucci Gang. That's how extra I was. Now I had wanted something that was really nice, but I didn't want to get like a bag that I've seen everyone with, and so I found this one, you guys. Y'all, I was drawn to the front. Like the front is what sold me on it, honestly, because it has like a little flap here that tucks in and tucks out of this little piece there. So, you know, if you want to open it, you just open it up, and then if you want to close it, you just tuck it back into this little slot. It has a nice little gold detail there. It has little tassels, and then if you guys can see in the camera, it does have the, you know, the G's all over, which I love. It does, again, y'all know I'm drawn to the metal chain. The perfect size, and I told Dion this would be a great travel bag, and so she's just so gorgeous. She's just so pretty, and I love her. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also let me know if you guys want me to do any more collection videos. If you guys have any other ideas, go ahead and let me know, and I will do my best to do it for you guys. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.